all been there. It's 10 p.m. and you have to have a huge presentation tomorrow, and you are just starting at the blank side, fighting with the text boxes and trying to find the template that doesn't scream 2005. The hours just evaporate, but you could generate professional grade in just few seconds. This Promise AI called Present AI, but I'm gonna show you today, and we are going to find out how it's gonna work. So I'm going to give you an AI single prompt and see if it can build a complete professional looking presentation in just 60 seconds. The tool we are putting to the test is called Presenti AI, and it's one of the most talked about presentation builders out there. It claims it can transform your messy notes and big ideas, polish presentation, documents, even web pages, no design skill needed. So is this all just a hype, or we are going to look at the future, how it works? Let's put it to the test. So I'm so excited to try this amazing tool. Let's try it together. So you can create your account, log in, or sign up for free. So you can shop now, 30% discount right now. Let's see the solution: text presentation, word presentation, PDF presentation. So let's try this text presentation tool, and you can try it for free. Just click on here and it's going to upload the page so soon. Now that I caught my breath, let's go back and really look at the details. The market overview slide has some pretty generic stars, but the framework is there to build on. So they actually did a great job on the target audience slide and describing eco-conscious millennials and what they care about. The what makes us different slide is really impressive. It's automatically created icons and short description or ethos, sorting and compulsive purchasing. But let's be real, it's not perfect. Some of the text is little bland and could use a splash of personality. And the other side is so high values. So as a person, I really like this tool. This is the only mistake I could find. So how easy is it to edit? Let's try changing this image. I just click and search for a new web page, and I will ask for an image, artisanal coffee beans, and a few seconds later, boom, a new, more specific image is going to appear. And the AI built is so assistant. Let me show you. The whole editing process feels quick and so easy, user-friendly, can even embed impact or anything else. So after you sign up, it's here, check product release. You can just click in here, and here are the coupling. You can invite any inviters. So these are the main features. You can generate presentation if you click here, and AI is going to help you generate instantly, beautifully, and generate from a link, or start with the template. You can start with the template if you click here. Just choose any kind of template you can apply and click here. So just click here and go to the dashboard back, and you can see the share with me option, templates, a library, custom templates. You can customize them, publish Amazon. So you can create templates from PPTX. You can watch a tutorial, continue importing. You can create templates from here, and you can watch anytime if you feel lost a video tutorial for free and check it out here. So you can go back to the My Files, and it's going to appear what would you like to create today, like education, research, business. Just click here and start the presentation. You can choose from here any kind of categories, appealing like marketing, and these are the style options you can choose from. And just all industries going to presentation work as we know it over first draft. This is a game changer. Presently AI biggest strengths are speed and creating visually stunning model-looking deck from practically nothing. This is an incredible tool for funders who need a page deck just today, marketers creating campaign reports, or students who have turned a page of notes into a full project. So, however, and this is a big however, it's not here to replace your brain. You will still need to fast-check information, inject your own unique voice, and sharpen the story you are telling. And while the customizing is good, this isn't as deeply as you can do as PowerPoint. Also remember the web-based tool, so you will need to internet connect to use. So these are so useful tips. So I recommend you try it out and give it a shot for Present AI, which is so easy to use. And personally, I love this tool because it was so easy and created so fast and beautiful designed custom templates as well. For now, a special plan available for you. Check out this promo code, and don't forget to try out my link that I just added to the description and start your trial for free. And don't forget presentation. So check out my link down below. you can find and sign up for free and try it right now. If you like this video, follow me for more and check out my other related videos as well.